Vito Cruz is one of the busiest streets in Metro Manila. Thousands of people are walking and kicking from sun up to sundown. With thousands of people, a lot of cigarette vendors and smoking locations are gathered around the area. And we should admit that almost more than half of the population smoking along the smoking locations in Vito Cruz is from the schools surrounding it. We are all aware that smoking harms the people around the smoker as well as the smoker himself. What you may not know is the environmental impact that smoking has. Smoking cigarette causes pollution in many environmental areas.
Sino yung mga kadalasang nagtatapon ng mga yun? Ay, bumibili ng mga yun?
Estudyante.
Paano nila tinatapon yung mga...
Pinipitik. Pinipitik nilang gano'n na to.
Cigarettes contain two main atmosphere-polluting chemicals, carbon dioxide and methane. Consider this, smoking worldwide releases about 2.6 billion kilograms of carbon dioxide in the air every year. It also releases about 5.2 billion kilograms of methane every year. Starting from the act of manufacturing cigarettes creates tons of chemical waste each year. The following toxic chemicals are released to the environment during the manufacturing process: ammonia, ethylene glycol, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen fluoride, methyl ethyl ketone, nicotine salts, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, and toluene. Smoking contributes to this type of pollution. Without the consumer of the product, there would be no manufacturing. We interviewed one of the vendors from some of the smoking locations.
At sino po yung mga kadalasang nabili?
Matagal yan sa Lasal. Yung mga dumadaan dito.
Paano po nila tinatapon yung mga yun?
Yan sa sahig. Tapos minawalis ko na pagtapos nila.
Smoking cigarettes releases the carcinogens and other toxins that they contain. This pollutes the air and harms the human and animal life. The team gathered and went to the Office of Student Behavior and asked about the regulations about smoking.
Our school policy in the CSB jurisdiction starts from our perimeter, all perimeters of the school, and then at least 100 meters from our perimeter. Okay, so we have a policy of no smoking inside the campus, and if it does, major offense will be made.
There are 4.5 trillion filtered cigarettes smoked around the world every year, and all of those cigarette butts end up somewhere. Cigarette butts are technically considered biodegradable. However, because of the small amount of plastic they contain, their breakdown still takes at least 18 months, and even then the plastic particles remain in the environment.
We smoke dito sa Taft, sa Tokyo, tsaka sa McDo. Tapos usually, ang nasa-smoke namin a day is half pack a day.
And then we usually dispose our cigarette butts in nearby trash cans, or when it comes to smoking area, we just dump it there in the floor.
Kaya minsan pag available yung ashtray, yan na.
In addition, cigarette butts are toxic. The toxins that they contain can leach into the soil and sometimes even make it into the water supply. Studies have shown that cigarette butts are the #1 item littering U.S. roads. A 2005 Texas litter study showed that 28% of visible litter was made out of cigarettes.
Saan ka madalas nag-iossi dito sa Taft?
Dito, sa tapat ng KFC.
Ilang pakete naman sa isang araw yung nauubos mo?
Siguro, kalahating kaha lang. Hindi naman ako ganun kalakas mag-yossi eh.
Ano yung mga napansin mo sa mga kasabayan mo nag-iossi dito?
Ha?
Yung mga napapansin mo sa kasabayan mo nag-iossi?
May malakas sila mag-yossi. Sa ako saan nila tinatapon yung ano nila. Pasyon nila.
Ano yung masasabi mo sa isyong yun? Yung mga pagkalat ng mga sigarilyo dito?
Dahil maglagay sila ng mga ashtray tulad dito. Ayan, no? Maglagay sa ashtray dito dapat. Lahat. Kaya sa Tokyo dapat nalagay sa ashtray.
Pollution caused due to smoking is not confined only to the air or body, but to some extent it is also responsible in polluting the land and the water. Every day, millions of cigarette butts are left on the ground. Maximum of cigarette butts finally end up in lakes and rivers. By mistake, fishes and other water animals eat these buds, resulting in death of one of these water bodies. The remaining buds left on the ground will approximately take 25 to 26 years to decompose. The various additives and chemicals are leached into the soil, polluting the soil as well as the plants. During dry seasons, cigarette butts can even cause major fire, which is even more harmful for the environment. Saan ka madalas nag-yossi?
Usually, nandito lang ako sa may McDo. Basta, pag may place ako mag-yossi ako doon.
Ilang pakete sa isang araw?
At least one pack. Depends lang talaga.
Ano napansin mo sa mga kasama mo nag-yossi?
Ano, hindi nila tinatapon na maayos. Like, pakalat-kalat lang everywhere. Yun lang.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa issue ito?
I mean, kung mag-yossi ka, I mean, be responsible naman. I mean, just throw it somewhere properly. Like, I mean, tama to. May ashtray ako kahit, you know, kahit mukha ang gago, at least responsible na gago.
Cigarette smoking not only causes health effects but environmental effects as well. We are so focused on the fact that we are slowly destroying Mother Earth piece by piece. Not disposing your trash in the right place causes floods and garbage flow. While cigarette butts lying around on the floor aren't exactly aesthetically pleasing, the real issue occurs when those little 3 to 5 cm sticks begin to impact people, wildlife, pets, and the environment. We can all reduce the environmental effects of this if we all cooperate with one another. So we challenge you to start a change. One can do a simple task by throwing the cigarette in a proper trash bin. If one person can make a difference, why can't we? It's a simple ripple effect if we all do it at once.
Anong masasabi mo sa mga nag-iossi na hindi nagtatapon ng tama?
Tangina nila.